Let's first look at the operation. It's multiplication, so numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. And if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and start factoring at the same time. In this first numerator, I can factor out a common factor of 2, and I'm left with x cubed plus 8. So that's numerator times numerator over denominator. There's a common factor of 6x in the first denominator, and I'm left with x plus 2 times this trinomial. You can check that this trinomial is not factorable over integers, so I'll leave it as x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now, can I factor any further? The answer is yes. This is the sum of 2 cubes, and if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and write that, or I'll think of that 8 as 2 cubed. Remember how I usually take an intermediate step there? So I've got this 2. Now this is x cubed plus 2 cubed, and I'm factoring the sum of 2 cubes, so the binomial is x plus 2, and in the trinomial I'll find working off of this binomial. First squared, opposite sign, first times second, and then it's always a plus, and then the second squared is 4, and then don't forget we still have times 5. Over, let me rewrite the denominator because everything is completely factored in the denominator. And we will see now that everything is completely factored. We'll see if we have any common factors. Notice there's a common factor of x plus 2, and notice these trinomials are exactly the same. And how about 2 and 6? There's a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So what do we have left? In the numerator, 1 times 5, or 5. In the denominator, 3 times x, or 3x. I am completely simplified now.